Alright, time to grout. Just want to show off this really cool Grout Float from RTC Russo Trading Company. We've used this in the last 5 showers and definitely like it. Interchangeable rubber floats here. You've got soft, you've got medium, and then you've got hard. Now we're going to use hard today so we can skim the prism on these walls to quickly grout. Obviously there's a lot of grout lines when you install 12 by 12, but works pretty well. You install like that, you rip this off to clean it, which allows it to clean fairly easy. Install the rubber just like that, and you're ready to grout. What's up, friends? Welcome back to Bath and Shower Tile Ideas episode 23. Let's show you some before and after photos, and then we'll go over a quick walkthrough, and then we'll talk about materials used, type of tile, waterproofing, layout, niche, etc. So here we go. Okay guys, let's get right into it. Let's start with this shower door. We just sealed up the shower and installed this barn style shower door. Semi-frameless. We have a standalone panel right here. Stainless steel at the top. Big, large rolling wheels for your barn slide mechanism. It took about an hour and a half to install this glass door, but as you can see, it's very nice. Good movement. And a very neat design. Let's talk about the shower. We installed a 12-inch by 12-inch porcelain tile that was supposed to resemble stone. Does a fantastic job of resembling stone, with the added benefit of, one, being porcelain is much more durable, easier to clean and maintain. Grout lines are at a 1/16 inch. We installed this tile at a straight pattern. As you can see, we've got fulls at the bottom, recessed shampoo niche right in the middle, and fulls at the top. Very symmetrical layout. Turned out very clean. Very flat walls, as you can see there. We use a tile leveling system on this entire shower, LevTech. They're new and improved wedges and clips. Let's show you the niche, 12-inch by 12-inch niche. As you can see, very symmetrical, landed right in the middle. Fulls on both sides. Rondeck by Schluter is the trim edging. We mitered at all 4 corners here. We have our proper slope and pitch. Nice clean corners. Try to avoid grout buildup in these corners. Niche looks very clean and will be very easy to maintain. with this Rondeck trim as well as porcelain tile. Take a look at the valve wall. Now, we always recommend to customers when purchasing your valve and trim kit, shower head, handles, etc., to match most of the finishes, or actually all of the finishes within the shower. We've got brushed nickel Rondeck on the curb, brushed nickel in the niche, as well as a stainless steel grate for the drain cover. But for some reason they decided to go with two handle system for the valve, and it being chrome as well. And this Kohler head, for some reason, came brushed nickel for the red and a chrome arm, but still doesn't look bad. Again, it's always recommended to match all the finishes. I mean, we have a brushed nickel glass door here. All right, let's talk about the shower pan. Again, this is Schluter's foam shower pan kit. We've got Schluter's pan and a Schluter curb as well. 2" by 2" porcelain pan tile. Again, it's going to be very easy to clean and maintain this, being a porcelain. Prism is the grout. We sealed this pan as well as all grout lines twice. And we'll quickly talk about the curb. The customer opted on going with the wall tile for the curb to blend in and mix in the Schluter Rondeck so that the curb ties in with the niche. Again, it's porcelain tile, prism grout. It's going to be a very clean curb, easy to maintain for years and years to come. And then quickly talk about the bull nose right here to cap off both sides of the wall, which turned out symmetrical and clean as well. 24" bull nose. All grout lines match up all the way to the top. So there you guys go. Bath and shower tile ideas, episode 23. Thank you very much for watching. Again, as usual, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on episode 24.